Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to our giveaway. Now, remember, this giveaway is for the Dollar Tree pot holder glass case hack, okay? And in that kit, you will receive, as shown in the previous video up there, a pot holder and glue sticks and all the embellishments used to create the glass case that I showed in the video. The only thing that you'll need is a hot glue gun and your imagination. So without further ado, I've already went ahead and put the link to the video there, filtered out duplicate users, and I'm going to go ahead and grab the comments. Now over here, we're going to go ahead and start, and let's see who the winner will be. Carol Hulse. She says, love these, own 2 pairs of sunglasses. And if you guys can remember, I asked for your entry to contain how many pairs of sunglasses or glasses you owned. And so Carol has replied with, she owns 2 pairs of sunglasses. All right, Carol, you have 48 hours to, in the description box below, pull that email address, shoot me over an email with your mailing address or mailing address of where you'd like the package to go to. And it must be in the US, but I am excited to send that out. So go ahead and drop me an email and I'll get that out to you as soon as I can. And for those who have played along, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next giveaway. So stay tuned. We've got more to come. Congratulations, Carol. Bye for now.